Come along as we explore Utah and do some trout fishing. Heading off to Minersville, just starting the day off. Woke up to a little bit of snow on the ground. Storm came through last night, so what is it, about 30 degrees out now?
It's showing 28 on the dash.
28 on the dash as we're going to Minersville. Great day to be fishing out here in Utah. Ooh.
Yes, sir.
Look at that.
Oh my God.
Nicely done.
Yeah.
Look at that.
There he
That is
is.
a beauty.
Yes, sir.
We are here at Minersville Reservoir. See Andrew there? He got a big fish already. About 5-6 pounds. I just got one about 3 right here. And then I lost one right about where the float tube guy is over there. About 3 earlier today. But beautiful day out. Got to the lake is 28. Now it's in the mid 40s. I might need the net. We'll see if I get him closer.
Let's go join in on Jason's fish here.
Feels big. Could be wrong.
I'm gonna be here for it. I'll net it for him.
Oh, decent size. Oh yeah.
Ooh, just went airborne over here to the right. These fish are so crispy.
I got a crowd.
They're cheering you on, man. Birds.
Yeah, he's not as big as I thought.
Come on the net.
Yeah. I'll get him in the shore and no net needed. This reel's already jacked up though.
Yeah. I see some fish though. Seems like about that size they go airborne a lot. Good looking bow.
Yeah.
Man, that fish is pretty.
Come on, fishy. Ay, ay, ay. Actually, he's got some girth to him. Oh, come it. Nope. Out. Oh, look at that bad boy. Good looking fish right there. I can't turn him. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, look at that. All of a sudden, just like.
It's feeling weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, something's broken.
I'll be sending this one back or just dropping it off. Ouch.
Yeah, that didn't sound right. I could hear something in it.
He went right into the weeds. Double hookup?
Yep.
Double hookup.
Oh, and I'm off.
And he's off.
I had a fish on right now. We were double hooked up and I lost him. Damn. Let's see if I can get it in the game while I'm gonna try here. Yeah, we're just hooked up right now and while Jason's reeling this one in.
Oh, he's got a head on him. Another big one. Off he goes. Watch this, guys. We're gonna leave the fish biting here while we go get some lunch in town, but it's beautiful out here. There's actually a fish just jumped right here. Amazing day so far, I'd say.
Absolutely. We're doing great.
Yeah. Better than I'd say about 90% of the fishermen out here. So time to go get some lunch and come back and catch more fish. Across the way you've got a couple fly fishermen there. A lot of them have been out in the float tubes and it just got too windy, so most of the float tubes that were on that side came in. But earlier when we were here, there was a boat and about 3 other float tubes out here and they were all casting towards shore. Well, we pulled up and first cast, Andrew and I both hooked into fish, and this lake here is artificials only. No bait here. No scent, so you can't use any scent on any of your lures either. But we'll see if we can get a few more before we call it a day here. Another day, another lake. Now we're over here at Otter Creek Reservoir. Gonna fish this for a while. Beautiful lake, beautiful day out here. It's cold, it's in the 30s, but we're gonna hopefully catch some fish. So here we go. We started fishing Otter Creek, where is it? Right over here, and got one hit over there. That was it. Came across this whole shoreline, didn't get one bite, and then came over here. See Andrew there, we've got our rods out, enjoying a little bit of coffee, because that's the best thing about Otter Creek right now is the fresh coffee. Real slow, water's really murky. Probably just runoff from Fish Lake, I think you said, right? Fish Lake flows into here. Fish Lake flows into here, so, and all that snow runoff has made it murky. And talking to a fly fisherman here, he said a lot of fish were in shallow spawning right now. When they're spawning, they're not going to want to hit. So you see some snow in the distance there, all along over there. I don't know if that's the Aquarius Plateau over there or not. I think that's actually down further, closer to Penguich. But beautiful day out still. We're enjoying it the best we can, and we're gonna head back to Minersville and finish fishing there, because the fish were biting there and they're pretty good sized fish. Back out here at Minersville, Otter Creek just wasn't doing it, so made the trek back over here about an hour away and just hooked into a nice fish here, about 2 pounds or so. And back at the same spot. So let's see what we get into here. Moved over to this side of the lake and look at this storm over here coming through. For some reason it's not showing up on the radar, but it is massive. A lot of rain and snow over there. Beautiful spot for sure. Glad we came up this weekend. You see the reflection on the water there. Had a fish jump out here and threw it right where it jumped and hit the lure. Another Sierra Slammer here. South Lake Special. Oh, good size fish. Oh. Good fish. We've got a storm moving in here. Yeah, it's starting to get hit with some snow and ice, pellets, everything. And the GoPro I'm filming with here has a open door on it because I gotta use it for the audio. So I'm gonna put this GoPro away. Still film with this one because I got everything sealed on it. But we moved over here. Should be some good fish in here. We'll see what we get into. Well, I'm putting the camera away here. Like I said before, I've got the side door open for the audio. Okay, Andrew out there fishing, and it's starting to snow. I don't know if you can see it, it's starting to stick in here. More ice right now, sleet, but it's starting to snow. The storm's coming from over there. But I'm gonna put this GoPro away and keep the one I've got on my head going to 5. Let's see if we can get in some fish in this spot. Hopefully we do. slammer. There. We're heading back into town now. Had a good day over here at Minersville. Salvaged it. Otter Creek was just not doing it. Water was murky, fish were spawning. We came here, came back to our spot, caught a lot of fish. Hit a few different spots, caught a lot of different fish here. It's been a good day here. Really saved the day here coming back to Minersville. Would have been a long day at Otter Creek. So now it's time to go back in the Beaver and get some darn good food.